In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate total hours worked in Google Sheets with formulas. Let's jump straight into it. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser. Once the home page loads, look under the section labeled Start a New Spreadsheet and click on Blank Spreadsheet. This will open a fresh, empty sheet for you to work with. Now, head up to the top left corner of the screen and click on the spreadsheet title where it says Untitled Spreadsheet. Go ahead and type a name for your spreadsheet, something descriptive that reflects this timesheet project. Once you've typed the name, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. Next, click on cell A1, which is the very first cell in the upper left corner of the sheet grid. This is where we'll be placing our sample data. Now we'll add some sample clock in and clock out times. Paste the sample timesheet directly into cell A1. Feel free to copy and paste it from the pinned comment below the video so you can follow along with the same data set. After pasting, your sheet should now have columns showing the dates, the clock in times, and the clock out times. Once your data is in place, click on cell D2, which sits directly under the hours worked column header. This is the cell where we'll build our very first formula. Now we're going to calculate the hours worked for the first shift. Type in the overnight safe duration formula, which is equals MOD, open parenthesis, C2 minus B2, comma, 1, close parenthesis. This formula safely handles shifts that cross midnight, so you won't get a negative result on overnight work. Once you've typed it out, press Enter on your keyboard. Click cell D2 again to select it. You'll notice a small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell. That's the fill handle. Click and drag that fill handle straight down all the way to cell D6, which will copy the formula into every row of your timesheet. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now, let's format the daily results as durations. Highlight cells D2 through D6 in the hours worked column by clicking and dragging across them. Move your cursor up to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down that appears, hover over Number. Then, inside the Number submenu, click on Duration. Your values will now display in a clean hours in minutes format. Next, we'll add the weekly total formula. Click on cell C7 to select it. Type in the total label, something like the word total, so it's clear what the row represents. Once that's typed, press Tab on your keyboard to jump over to cell D7. Now type the total formula, which is equals sum, open parentheses, D2 colon D6, close parentheses. Press Enter to confirm the calculation. Now we need to format the total so it can show more than 24 hours. Click on cell D7 to select it. Head back up to the top menu and click Format. From the drop-down, hover over Number again. This time, inside the Number submenu, click on Custom Number Format. A dialog box will appear in the middle of your screen. Inside the text field, type in the elapsed hours format, which is open bracket lowercase h, close bracket, colon, lowercase m, lowercase m, lowercase m. This special bracketed format is what tells Google Sheets to keep counting hours past 24 instead of wrapping back around like a clock. Once you've typed it in, click the Apply button at the bottom right of the Custom Format dialog. And that's the result. Your sheet should now display the daily hours worked values for each shift, along with a weekly total of 42 hours and 15 minutes in cell D7. Because we use the bracketed H:(M) format, the total stays as elapsed hours, so 42 hours and 15 minutes does not wrap around like a regular clock time. You now have a fully working timesheet that handles overnight shifts and totals everything accurately across the week.